The main features of the waterproof Bluetooth speaker are that it will function flawlessly and won't be harmed even when submerged in water. Beyond that, you won't have to worry about water drops landing on or even getting inside the speaker after hours of research. And after taking an expert advice, we have included a link in the description box for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is your budget range. Number 1, USB-powered 5V speakers plug directly into your computer for portable convenience. Turn the speakers on and adjust the volume using one simple control, located on the front of the speakers. Volume control includes on/standby. Simple plug-and-play setup, no drivers needed, can be used with headphones via the 3.5mm jack connector. Frequency range of 103 Hz, 20 kHz, 2.2 watts of total RMS power, 1.1 watts per speaker. Measures 2.76 by 3.55 by 5.3 inches, approximately 1.4 pounds. Number 3, PC speakers with 6 colorful LED modes. USB enjoy crisp, distortion-free hi-fi sound with 2 full-range dual-magnet speaker units of Nyla V computer speakers, creating remarkable, precision quality sound. Unique speaker ports for deep bass, designed with 2 unique speaker ports, resulting in a strong vibration energy for a concentrated and rich bass sound. Number 4, Edifier R1280T powered bookshelf speakers, convenient connection to any device that has a 3.5mm headphone output or dual RCA output. Connect to 2 devices via AUX at the same time, no plugging and switching needed. No Bluetooth version, natural sound reproduction from 13mm silk dome tweeter and 4-inch full range unit. Adjust volume at your fingertips. Bass and treble control located on the side of main speaker. Number 5, Margaritaville Tiki Torch waterproof Bluetooth speaker. We combined a LED warm colored light with a tiki torch design and powerful stereo sound to bring you a decorative indoor and outdoor speaker. It will elevate the look of your space while providing clear, crisp sound to set just the right mood. Our tiki torches are ideal for anyone that wants to turn up the volume and add visual flair to their party. It offers clear, crisp sound so you can enjoy your favorite tracks, and even comes with a pole so you can place it outside. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and like our video.